Welcome to day 17 of our Holiday Royale Advent Box. I'm Kate. I'm an editor and designer here at Sallie Tomato. Let's unwrap a little holiday joy. Day 17. A new, unique finish that combines a classic vintage feel with a modern touch for your upcoming projects in 2025. This limited edition hardware bundle is brand new and it's a stunning neutral for all your bag creations. This sweet package of hardware includes a variety of different hardware. For instance, you may have swivel hooks, slider buckles, or D-rings. All of our hardware has a hanging finish for added protection and shine. Each item is individually dipped and sprayed with lacquer for a long-lasting coat. We can't wait to see what projects you create using this beautiful hardware. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video and were inspired, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way you'll always know when a new video or tutorial releases. Until the next time, have a great making day.